Hey guys, hey, I'm doing this video since you got the detox, and so I'm going to go through, I'm going to try to separate it out into 7 days, and so I'm going to do day 1. This is our day 1 video, and I'm going to show you what I did and what worked for me, and that way you can kind of see the products, and I'll tell you a little bit about the products so you'll kind of know what you're taking. And so on day 1, 15 to 30 minutes before you have breakfast, this is what you want to do. Okay, first you want to take, let me see if I can get the shadow off of that. Can't really see it very well. But anyways, it's metabolic 1. Okay, you're going to take 2 to 3 capsules. If you got the 7-day kit, take 2, or you'll run out before the 7 days is over. So take 2. That's what I normally do. I always take 2. I never take 3. And so take 2 of your metabolic 1. That's going to get your metabolism going, burn some calories. And so then I also take probiotic. Can you see that? Probiotic. Okay, 1 serving is 2 capsules. Okay, and then what I do is, because you're supposed to take the GPS hydrate and the organic sulfur. So I mix the 2. So your hydrate, that is backwards. Your hydrate is going to come in either this form or in a tub form, but it's going to be blue and orange, and it's going to say hydrate. So I mix that, and then I mix my sulfur. Now, sulfur comes in a tub where you can mix it with something, or it comes in a capsule. So depending on which way you got it, but if you did get it in the tub, I highly suggest you mix it with the hydrate, because this kind of has like a little bit of a salty flavor, and so me mixing it with water, I just need something with it. So just mix the 2 together with some water. I would say maybe like 10 to 12 ounces or something like that. Mix it up. And so that's what you want to do 15 to 30 minutes before breakfast. Okay, then when you have your breakfast, okay, this is what we're going to do. You want a scoop of greens. Okay, this is what I do anyways. This just makes it easier for me. And then you do an ounce of goyan. This is amazing stuff. It's like helps regulate thyroid. It has B12 in it. It has adaptogenic herbs in it. It's really, really great, and it tastes really good. So then I mix the greens with the goyan, and then I put my Mila. I don't have the bag of Mila, but you just mix a tablespoon of Mila. Mila is like taking like 10 fish oil pills, and it doesn't taste like anything. It doesn't taste like fish oil. You don't even know, but it has that many omega-3s in it. So it's really, really great for you. So what I do is I mix those with my energy. Now, energy is going to come either in this form, or it's going to come in a tub form, and it's going to say energy on it. So I mix all 4 of those things together. And then since you get a fruit, I'll throw in, like if you want to make it into a smoothie, I'll throw frozen fruit into the blender and just mix it up as a smoothie. Because some people have a little bit of a hard time getting the greens and the Mila down. So to me, it's easier just to put it all together and make it into a smoothie. And then what I do is I make it into a smoothie, and then once I finish my smoothie, then I take my daily build, which is your multivitamin. And it's going to be this one. And so just because I like to have a little bit of food on my stomach before I take it, because it has a lot of vitamins in it. And so to me, some people have said that, it makes them a little nauseous. And so I would just say, make sure you have some food. Make sure you've drank your smoothie or ate your fruit, excuse me, before you take your daily build. That's just how I do it. Okay, now, if you did get a pack and you're not just doing the 7-day thing, and you got the, I think the ultimate detox pack, then you can also take super fruits. But if you're just doing the 7-day detox, the super fruit isn't included. That's just if you got like a little bit more of an expensive pack. Okay, so that was breakfast. Now, 15 to 30 minutes before lunch, you want to take, this is what you want to take. You want to take metabolic 1 again. Like I said, this is really great for speeding up your metabolism and helping you burn those calories. It's really, really good. Then you take a hydrate. And then for lunch, you can have 1 non-starchy vegetable and a fat. And so what I normally do, like you can look at the recipes on the detox group, but for me on cleanse days, like I'll make the asparagus soup. That's really good. That'll help you get through cleanse days. Just because sometimes cleanse days are a little rough sometimes, but you can get through them. It's not anything to be afraid of. And so look at those recipes because those will really, really help you get through those cleanse days. So you can have one non-starchy vegetable and one fat. And there's in your detox thing, you got what a non-starchy vegetable and a fat was. So then mid-afternoon, what I normally do is I mix Goian, energy, and sulfur. I mean, you can mix in a fruit too if you want to make it another smoothie. But I mix my Goian, my energy, mix Goian, and then take an energy, put it with energy, and then my sulfur, depending on how you got sulfur. And like I said, you can mix it with a fruit or just eat fruit. And then I'll take my daily build after that. Okay, that's going to be your mid-afternoon. And then for dinner, the greens and the Mila, I would just mix them up together and just shoot them. Because since you don't have any Goian or fruit that you can do with that. But it really is good. It really, really is really good for you. So you want to do your greens and then your Mila. And for your broth, I would highly suggest getting bone broth. It's very, very good for you. And if you have a hard time with it, just put some salt in there. Put some garlic salt. That's what I did when I was doing it. And then you can have herbal tea of your choice. I did like a raspberry that wasn't caffeinated, or just any kind of tea that you like that, like I said, isn't caffeinated. And so that's going to be your dinner. And then at night, you're going to, depending on how you got your cleanse, you're going to take, I have to look at that again, 1 dropper full of cleanse. Or if you got the tablets, take 2 cleanse tablets. I would take it 30 minutes before you go to bed, just so it kind of has time to digest before you lay down. And then you're going to take your sleep trim. I only take 1 of those. That does it for me. It has melatonin, and it has just all kinds of good stuff to help you sleep. And so you can take 1 to 2 of those at night. And then you're going to take your calcium MK. To me, this kind of tastes like an orange creamsicle. It's really not. It tastes really good. And so take a little bit of that. This is really good. This is non-dairy calcium. And it does help you sleep also. And then if you want some herbal tea, then you can take that at night too. And don't forget, you can have as much broth, pickles, herbal tea as you'd like. And so that's going to be your day 1. So I'm going to finish this video so it's not super long. So I'll see y'all on day 2.